Okay, ready, guys?
Yeah.
All right.
And rolling.
Who's starting? All right, everybody, welcome back to another Mountain Mission. Today we're here with Tara because we're sharing the top 5 tips
So that you can have the best time at Blue Mountain. Because if you know, you know. We've had a few POW days this winter and some really great bluebird mornings, and you should be there. If you wake up first thing in the morning, you're for sure gonna get those groomed runs or the fresh powder from overnight.
And if you work a 9 to 5, like most of us, that you get to enjoy the beautiful and everyone's favorite midday groom. It is back. It is here Monday to Thursday. So regardless if you worked all day, you're still gonna get that awesome corduroy for your nighttime laps.
You know what, Mel? I love coming midweek because the skiing is great. I find a parking spot, but I miss that après.
Well, lucky for you, this winter is the best winter ever. So we have DJs, we have music, we have so much animation going on that you can enjoy your après that you know and love Monday to Thursday, the same vibe as a Saturday.
I love that. Love that. If you were telling a friend or something,
Yeah.
like, there's a couple ways to get here,
Yeah.
but we're gonna tell you the best way.
All right, so there are a few ways to get into Blue Mountain, but if you're a local, if you know, you know. So the best way, in my personal opinion, is to come up Highway 26, past the Craigleaf Depot, and you take a Larry, and you go up Gray Road 19, right to either the north or the end, because
Those are great spots to end up at the resort. They tend to be quieter midweek especially, and then you can go right from your car to your skis to the hill. Another insider tip, if you're one of our pass holders here, there are lots of great perks that you can take advantage of. If a toe pick is your top pick, you get half off at Woodview Mountaintop Skating.
And if you are outdoorsy in the sense that you like to sit on patios, then you get 15% off food and beverage and shopping.
And why not stay over with us? Did you know pass holders also get a lodging discount with us midweek? B-roll of sleeping in a bed. Your best day at Blue Mountain Resort starts online, so go to bluemountain.ca where you can find tips, details, and all of the updates you need to make sure your day at Blue is the best one ever.
You can also sign up for our weekly pass holder communication, and it shares with all the insider tips on operations, on events, on activities, on deals. It comes out each week, so look for it in your inbox.
And if you know,
you know.